My New Year's resolution is to finally learn how to properly do my makeup, but like in a more basic level, but you know. So I got some of these sponges. Here they are. They're like pink and burgundy. Okay, I'll show them to you guys. So here's one. Cool. And then, oh, this one has like the things at the end. Okay. And then 3 and 4. Okay. And then it has this little thing which can be like a holder, because also, you know, you gotta wash your brushes, so you gotta have it. You can't just, you know, be laying it on the counter, you know. So that's what this is for, which is cool. So now, guys, I am gonna try and use these. I don't know which brush I need to use for like my foundation and stuff, so this is gonna be a very much trial and error process. So wish me luck. Okay. Hopefully that's probably too much. Huh. Interesting. Y'all can see the difference? Cool. Now, I'm gonna try my concealer. I'm like running out, so. I'll have to get some more badly and soon. Oops. Okay, I guess you use this one because it goes in the corner of your eye. I'll figure it out. Okay, it looks pretty good. It looks good, which I appreciate. Goodness me. Okay, here it is. Okay, guys. Well, I got these on Amazon. I'm sure I'll be putting these in my Amazon store, or my Amazon list, whatever you call it. If you guys are interested, because these are pretty good for someone that doesn't know how to use makeup that well. These are pretty good. So yeah, let me guys know what you guys think, and I'll see y'all later.